So I have a iPhone 13 Pro Max, a white, and customer wants their back glass fixed. So let's go ahead. Okay, so we're going to power device off first, always. Power off. We're going to place it in our mold, and we're going to put it in the laser pod. The pod open. The inside of that pod. Oof. Put it inside that pod. We're going to slide the device in there. Okay. Slide that cord like that. We're going to set it for 10 minutes. I find 10 minutes better because within that 10 minutes, you can't mess anything up within 10 minutes of this laser pod doing everything. So once it starts, you'll see the purple light, and you can smell it. If you guys were here, you'll be able to smell it, but you can literally smell this coming out. 8 minutes left. It's really sticking up now. 1 minute to go. And so we got 1 more minute to go, probably less. Actually, it's almost done. And there you go. It's done. Now we're gonna take it out. All right, and now we can take it out. That's all. Okay. Bam. Sexy jaw. And now we're gonna put our working man gloves on. Yeah, let's start dissecting it. Oh, she's gonna hate me. So now I put this baggie with this rubber band. Alright, yeah, so this baggie with the rubber band so that we don't scratch up their screen. I do need something else to, like, you know, make sure that we don't mess up the screen. If anybody knows anything better, please let me know. Now we're going to high up under the glass. Hold on, give me a second while I remove this area. Alright, so we're done. We cleaned up the back as best as possible. Now I do not have no more magnets. I try to take the old magnets off to put on here. I took some of them off, but couldn't take the last two. This is a new back glass. Nope, wait. Nope, I lied. Wrong back glass. Hold on. So this is the new back glass. As you can tell, it does sit, so you know, you're gonna have to. I do have this phone on a freaking flat surface, which is, you can probably hear it crunching. But you gotta make sure that every inch of this sits down flush within it. So now we're just gonna put our glue and we'll be done. And this is the mess. And this took approximately 2.5 hours, almost 3 hours. And yeah, this is all a mess. Yep. And I gotta clean all that up. And I don't have a vacuum cleaner. So all this is I'm gonna try my best to throw it in the trash.